Hello guys, welcome. In today's video, I will show you how to use the Bing AI to make research on anything you want to learn more about. Open your favorite browser and type Bing AI chat on the search bar. Once it opens, scroll down till you see the Bing website. Click on it to come to this page. Click here to see all the options and also the option to log in your account or create a new one if you don't have a Bing account already. I've got an account already, so let's go ahead and access the app. Click on the Google Play Store sign on the screen to download the new Bing mobile app. But before we proceed, I want to show you how to activate the AI chat option. Let's go back to the Bing website or just type bing.com in your browser. Once here, click on the Bing logo beside the search bar to enter the search homepage. If you click on the chat tab, they'll tell you that the chat mode is only available when you have access to the new Bing. So what's the new Bing? Let's find out. Let's look at how Microsoft explained it. The new Bing is like having a research assistant, personal planner, and creative partner at your side whenever you search the web. You can read more of this frequently asked questions on this section to find out more on what it does, and there are lots of things you could do with this AI, guys. Bing AI uses GPT-4 to search the entire web and get the most accurate response to your questions. Unlike ChatGPT, Bing AI gives you current information that are not available on ChatGPT. Now let's go back to the app asked you to download earlier. If you have downloaded it, let's go ahead and open it because I have downloaded it as well. And if you haven't, kindly go ahead and download it now. This is the home page of the app when you log in. But before you can access this page, you need to join their whitelist and get approved by Microsoft. As you can see, I'm already approved. Now let's go make some research with the AI. This is the fun part, guys. Click on the Bing logo in the middle to open the chat box. Once it opens, you have the options to choose the style of conversation you want. And the choices are self-explained. But in this video, we are going to use the more precise option. Let's go ahead and select it. So I'm going to ask Bing how much I can earn on YouTube with 1 million views. Just watch how fast it responds with precision. It answered the question with currently available information on the internet and also gives an average estimate. It also gives you suggestions from your previous question or the answer it provided. And also you can use voice to say what you want just in case you don't want to type. So guys, that's it on today's video. If you come this far, we appreciate and also pleading that you subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts and support of what we do here. Also, if you have any questions or a video you would like us to make, please drop it in the comment section. See you in the next video.